Hello friends, welcome to Awdhesh Academy. Friends, now we are going to discuss the explanation of the quotations as it is a normal practice in the UPSC ethics paper that you will be given certain quotations and you are asked to explain. So we are going to discuss those quotations today. Now the first quotation is pertaining to Swami Vivekananda. We have seen that in the recent years, Swami Vivekananda's quotation has become very important. They have been asked in last couple of years also. And so you have to understand the philosophy of Swami Vivekananda in a deep manner. So let's see the question. What does each of the following quotations mean to you? The first quotation is like this. Every work has got to pass through hundreds of difficulties before succeeding. Those that persevere will see the light sooner or later. This quote is by Swami Vivekananda. Now let's write the answer of this question. Friends, we know that Swami Vivekananda was a highly inspirational figure. He has given us the idea by this quotation that we should not give up when we are trying to achieve something great. Even if we fail sometime, we must keep on trying, and only by consistency, perseverance and hard work we can achieve success in our life. So it's not easy to achieve success when you are trying to accomplish an important task. Because if the success would have been easy, then many people would have got it. As a matter of fact, the tougher is the task, the higher are the chances of failure. And we know that the failure is very, very painful. When we fail, our heart is broken, our confidence is shattered. At the same time, we also face criticism from the society, from even our near and dear ones when we fail. And that basically breaks our heart and demoralizes. And that is the reason that people stop trying and they can't achieve success. So Swami Vivekananda ji, by this quotation, explains the importance of perseverance, that is, we should keep on trying despite our failure. We must be ready to work hard for a long time till we succeed in our mission. That determination must be there in us. Just like an ant that falls many times before it reaches its goal, we too must be ready to fall and learn the lessons. But we must never stop till we have achieved our goal. We should never forget the beautiful quote of Swami Vivekananda, arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Now this particular quotation inspires us to work hard till we achieve the goal. So we must continue to work hard and move toward our goal. And if we persevere in our effort, if we don't give up, then we shall reach to our goal sooner or later. So that is the message, and we can explain this in this way. I hope you can write the answer on the basis of the discussions. Thank you very much.